Hey, Peter Pikes here. Today I'm going to play badminton. I'm going up right now. So I'm going to meet my colleagues, and the location is Sports Arena Sentosa. I'm going to show you. How do I get the place here? I'm going to use the KTM first. I think I'm going to use the Grab later when I reach KL Central. I hope I'm not late. I'm moving a bit faster because if I miss KTM, then I have to take a Grab absolutely. I will show you around anyway. If you see the station here, so this is station I'm going to take a KTM. Oh, it's a bit dark, but anyway, I'm going to go here. I'm going to take a KTM here. Time is 1:58. Here I'm waiting for the train now. Go to the city. KTM is not coming often. KTM will come this way, the back here. Once it comes, I'm going to go down to KL Central. I will show you around the KL Central a bit. I'm going to Sports Arena Sentosa, which I never been there before. And I prepared my badminton racket. I bought this from Mr. DIY. Am I correct? I checked the timetable. I figured out the time actually 2:31. Now it's about 2:21. I have to wait another 10 minutes. Train will come shortly. Finally, KTM is coming. I can see over there. See? Paid. I'm going to visit the station. going to take a Grab anyway. Here is KL Central. Now it's raining outside. I'm going to call the Grab shortly. Thank you. Oh, wait. Oh. I just booked here. P5, P6. Purple zone. Oh, okay, okay, got it. Thank you. Look at this. Where's it? So now finally arrived here. It's called the Sports Arena Sentosa. Yeah. So I'm going to play badminton shortly. I'm going to some warming up, and then see how it goes. I finished the badminton play.
I think for now, I think
These people are all my colleagues.
I don't know.
I feel so good.
Deducted for
Yeah.
tax or not because I'm having the receipt, the salary receipt.
So I think I'm going back home shortly.
Then I'll come back in November.
I feel so good.